Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. We have the instructions that show how to assemble this. It has the long rod. We have the little pieces that secure it. Oh, they're nice and clear. That's a nice feature. We have the... Oh, it's clear. Nice. Have that. Little vases, or vases, depending on how you want to say it. Don't walk away from me. They are not going to sit on the table. They have to be hung. And look down in there, just one more piece. This is what it's supposed to look like assembled. So make sure we have all of our pieces. We have 1A, 3 vases, the little rings. I think there's 8 in there. 2 the arms, and then 2 screws, which I do see in there. To assemble, we're going to take the 2 levers first. I'm going to unwrap everything. Looks like they actually gave us some extras of the little round donut pieces and an extra screw. The instructions don't make this clear. I decided to play with the rod part first. The rod only goes through the top section. When you put the 2 legs together, one's going to be on the outside and then the other end's going to be on the inside. So don't try to put one on the inside. But the pole that holds the vases only goes through here. So I'm just going to leave it there. I know I'm going to have to take it out in order to put the vases on there. But right now it's kind of holding everything together for me. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver to do this. Don't think I need the rod now. The screw has to go through the large outer hole and the small inner hole. Now we have step 1 completed. Step 2 is going to be putting these onto this and putting them into the pole. They kind of roll like a rubber band. Those are too close. Just remember to put 1 on each side of the vases to keep them where you want them. A lot of clear. Alright, let's even these up. And then, now we have step 2 done. We're going to do step 3. Hoping it doesn't all fall apart. to squeeze that one up a little bit. Alright, now you put end caps on the end. Or little rubber things on the end. Tighten these up now that we know we did it right. And these little plastic screws don't go all the way through, so these don't fit on the inside of them. So now we have our beautiful little vases. What I'm going to actually do, you can put fresh flowers in these, or greenery. You can put rocks in them, whatever you want to, really. I'm going to use them for cuttings for some impatiens that I'm hoping to root. I'm going to pour a little water in each one. They hold more water than I expected. They're bigger than I thought. So pretty. Shiny. I may not have cut my impatiens cuttings long enough. But hopefully they'll start rooting and be ready to plant soon. How pretty. I'm going to just keep these on my coffee table in the living room. They're just so pretty. This turned out better than I expected. I think that's gorgeous. And if those do make roots, I will have some more to plant and put out on the porch or the deck. Thank you for watching my video on the little vase holder. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving this one a thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you will check in the text below and in the pinned comment, I will provide a link on how you can buy this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch, and until next time, let's just keep everything beautiful.